How's it going, guys? We had a group project and we interviewed two of their businesses. And for me, the greatest insight that I got from both of them was how both of them planned ahead so much. They would, take great care in planning for the future so that everything would go according to plan. And they would, go to their managers and then would also sit with them and talk about what to plan about. And like every little detail in their business has been planned out for years to come. And I just thought that was, really amazing that, these businesses actually, take time to go that deep into planning every little detail so that things go smoothly. For me, one of the different from the different practices that I learned, I think the thing that I will use most likely in my business is again their planning. Just always planning years in advance, so that things do go smoothly, so that you know what to expect in the next year. And then again, keeping up with that planning so that, you never fall behind. You're not wondering what you need to get done. You always have a plan. Um, so yeah, that's like something that I would use. Another thing that I learned from Cool Law especially was that, writing things down, writing all the goals and tasks that you have, and then prioritizing what's most important. Um, you have what things that need to get done now, things that can get done later, and, future projects that, can wait. And just always planning, those projects or according to their priority levels. So that's something that I think I'm definitely going to use in my businesses. And so yeah, there's a lot more that I learned from the two businesses that we interviewed, but I think that's pretty much a wrap for me and what I learned. But thanks.